Welcome to the Reify Online Learning Hub. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to view your screen with various configurations. This includes changing skins, adjusting densities, setting user roles, and even using different device displays. Let's get started. First off, locate the Run menu and click on the arrow. Then select the option Run As. Now, let's delve into the many options you have to tweak your screen configuration and run the screen to see the differences. Let's begin with the option to switch your screen skin. You can opt for a standard skin or design your own custom skin for this screen display. If you're looking to refine an existing or new custom skin, the Skin Editor is your go-to. This powerful feature enables you to adjust colors, fonts, and borders with ease. You can even access the Skin Editor through the drop-down to make changes to a skin before you run your configuration. Next, let's take a look at the Density option. This tool lets you control the spacing of your screen elements. The less dense setting you choose, the more spacious and larger the font and item spaces will appear. Reify also allows you to modify the user view. With Reify, you can set up user roles with specific access rights and views. By toggling this configuration, you can see the effect of these roles on your screen. To learn more about user roles and how they can be used, don't miss the Use Roles to Show and Hide a Button tutorial. Last, but certainly not least, Reify enables you to see how your screen will appear on various devices, from desktops to smartphones and tablets. With Reify, there's no need to create separate screens for each device. Reify automatically adapts your components to fit the selected device, and we'll demonstrate this shortly. Don't forget about the Live Auto Refresh feature. If you tick this box, your run screen will automatically refresh to display any changes you make in Reify, provided you keep the browser window open. No need to manually rerun your screen every time. You also have the option to set a default configuration for your project. Just click the Make Default Configuration checkbox, and your selected configuration will be applied whenever you opt to run your screen. Now, let's go ahead and adjust our screen view to simulate a smartphone experience. Simply navigate to the device list and select Phone. Now, click on the Run button to launch your screen as if on a smartphone. Pay attention to how your panes transform into single panes with navigational controls and how drop-down menus occupy the full screen, just as they would on a smartphone. Congratulations! Now you're well equipped to experiment with various configurations. Swap the skin, adjust the density, or modify user roles to see how these changes affect your screen. Happy configuring!
Reify is a new kind of low-code platform, one you can use on every project, not just for the simple ones. Reify is a radically faster, radically better way to work. Try Reify today for free.